In order to check your CIBC credit card statement online, you need to go ahead and first sign into your CIBC online banking. From the My Account page, select the View Statements option on the left-hand sidebar to view your monthly statements, which you can access for up to 7 years. You can then select the desired month to view its details or download the statement. So find and select View E-Statements option from the left-hand sidebar and then select a statement. You will see a list of your monthly statements. Simply select the month you want to view to see its details. And you can view the statement online and also have the option to download it. And if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and register it on CIBC online banking page. CIBC will send a one-time verification code to your registered cell phone or email address, and you need to enter the verification code and create your password to complete the registration and gain access to CIBC online banking. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.